If you are feeling depressed in life, feeling lots of anxiety, and somehow you think that there is no hope, there is no way outside of your problem, I think it's very important to remember that you are not alone in this universe. There are people basically who think about you. There are people who are ready to help you. Only thing basically that you have to just little bit come out of your problems for a second. See, first thing always remember that in the human plane, suffering is bound to be there, and no matter what social status you enjoy, only the nature of the problems will be different in your life. But there are problems in every single person's life in this universe. And that is why Bhagavan Buddha says that suffering exists, the noble truth of suffering. That's the first noble truth. But Bhagavan Buddha basically also provided the way out of suffering. He said the third noble truth is that the truth of way out of suffering. So he has basically prescribed meditation techniques. So I will give you a link in the description, one link of 10 minutes guided meditation, which anybody can do at any time. So you can just simply even sit on a chair and you can do that meditation technique. It's really helpful and it releases all your stress. It releases basically all your anxiety. I will also basically give another link where you can connect with us if you like, where we send you daily message which can help you to deal with the stress on the WhatsApp group. If you have any other query, feel free to write in the comment section. I will be happy to reply.